Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. We had a catastrophe last night. As you all know, I love my plants. I talk to them. So I came into the garage last night and found this. We had a little explosion. This thing must have exploded, caught on fire, melted the light bulb, and it fell right over there. You can see all the burn marks. And unfortunately, there was a casualty. Bobby was murdered. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, the light fell on Bobby, ended his short but spectacular life.
Bobby was a hero.
He was a hero.
Yeah.
Wow, I'd like to have a hero sandwich. I think this afternoon I'm going to go get a beefsteak, tomato, lettuce. Oh, I'm sorry, Bobby. That was disrespectful. So anyways, I just wanted to show you. Luckily, you can see like it's a little wet right now. It had just rained when I pulled it in, so it was all wet. And obviously it put out the fire. And like I said, I came in the morning to show it to somebody, and they said, "Hey, what's going on over here with all the burn marks and everything?" And Bobby and the light was sitting right on top of it. My light was actually sitting right up here with the twist ties, and the light, when it exploded, melted the twist tie and had it fall right down there on top of the plant. So I imagine it could have been a lot worse. And this isn't the normal kind of light that I use. This was actually given to me by a friend a couple days ago. And I'm glad I didn't use it upstairs. So, on a good note, all the rest of them are doing okay. They're growing slowly but surely. And the flag isn't for any kind of memorial service we're doing. That's because it is actually Memorial Day weekend. So, to all of you out there, happy Memorial Day. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.